This is my first video in Thailand with the GoPro. Not used to doing this, but I've got to start somewhere, don't I? Right. This is bungalow. This is my chalet, or cottage, as they call it. It's a nice place. Got air conditioning, bathroom, whatever, and kitchen. Got a kitchen. This is the resort. Not used to this, but got to start somewhere, don't we? Got loads of bars here and restaurants. Fucking 92%. Obviously everything's closed because it's only 6:30 in the morning. But there we are. So I've got to get used to walking and talking. I hope this is recording. Right. Now, as I recall, right, Samui Palace over there. What have we got here? Let's have a walk out here. I've got massage place here. Massage place. Massage place, exchange booth over there. What's that? Friendly, loads of massage places over here. Tumblers bar. obviously it's very early in the morning, so there's no one around because they've all had a late night and they're all having a line. Got another massage place here. Let's have a look at the prices because I'm going to have a massage later. Right, yeah. Deep, traditional deep Thai massage, 1 hour, 500. Yeah. Sports massage, 1 hour. Yeah, that's good. Isn't it? Looks like a nice Thai restaurant. Have a go at that. Noir, could be French, I don't know. Let's have a little look at this. Opens at 10 AM. Yeah. Coconut soup, looks nice, doesn't it? Coconut soup, yeah. Charming green. Wonder what they sell. He's watering his plants up there. Yeah. Lovely. Good morning, Sawadee Cup. Right, got Shamrock Irish pub. Yeah, just quite sure I will try some of this. Men's barbers. Shopping I do need.
Hello, welcome.
Right. Got everything here that you need. Everything here that you need. I don't know what they are. I need. Yeah. Nice shop. Got everything that you need. A lot of 10 baht for noodles. Yeah. Nescafe coffee and all your yeah, prices aren't too bad. Pringles and all of that. Nuts. Drinks, milk, cheese, and toasties in a bag. Don't look too bad.
Hello, welcome.
Oh, hello. Do you sell? Sorry about that. Do you sell SIM cards for the phone? Oh, these ones here. Right. I don't know which one to buy. Unlimited tourist SIM card. Oh, fucking hell. Right, 8 day, 15 day, 699. I don't don't know, I think that's too much. Okay, I'll have a look. Thank you. Cheers. What's this place here? Another nice restaurant. Well, they're all nice really, aren't they? Saudi card. Everything's closed because it's early in the morning. Gives me a chance to do some filming. You from Punch It Jim?
Huh?
No, I'm just talking to that chap over there.
Oh.
Yeah. I think he's I don't know who he is. Oh, what's this? Another avenue of delights. I think they're running. Oh, Ting Tong, Ting Chong. Yeah, we all know Ting Tong Makaraka is, don't we? Yeah. Scooters for rent. Tours. Touring. More massages. Wouldn't have trouble having a massage here, would you? I need what's this? Lamai Villa restaurant. Nice dishes on there. Yeah. Chicken, pork, pasta, seafood dishes. Nice that. A nice bakery there. Lovely. Do I want anything at the moment? Do I want anything at the moment? No, I won't have anything at the moment. Just going to go for a long walk in the deserted streets and see if I can. Marina Villa Hotel. Marina Villa Hotel. I love these sounds. Look at that artwork there, it's nice, isn't it? Nice artwork. Yeah, nice that, got bags to match and yeah, I don't know what this is about, but tattoo parlour, and I do want to have a tattoo. So. I do want to have a tattoo. Leave open. I'll come back and have a look with me. come back and have a look in there. Right, and walk down. You've got Full Moon House, Samui, and Salt's Bar Asian Barbecue. There we go.